So let's talk about the Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series Ryzen based laptops. Are they as good or even better than an Intel based version? Stay tuned for our unboxing, initial thoughts and benchmark test and comparison. So heading over to the Dell website, we can see our Inspiron 15 5000. We've chosen the third on the list. It's got an Intel Ryzen 5 processor, Windows 10 Pro, 8GB of RAM, 256GB NVMe, 15.6 display. Let's click view details and check out any options. So we've still got the same processor, operating system, graphics card, memory, hard drive and display. The only option we would choose is updating the 1-year warranty to a 3-year. Collect and return is absolutely great. Nothing else on this list we would choose, so back up to the top. Total price £597 and 85 pence. Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. So initial thoughts at this point. Wow, this laptop's nice. It really is quite light and it's really slim. It's nice to the touch. Connectivity wise, we've got an SD card reader and a super speed USB and a headphone jack. On the opposite side, we've got the power adapter, HDMI out and super speed USB again. One thing we have started to notice, all the new Dell laptops seem to be coming with a 45 watt AC adapter, not the 65 watt. Let's get the Windows setup started and get this laptop in a usable state. We can then run some benchmarks. I'm just going to run a quick Windows update to see if there's any major firmware or software updates that need to go on before we do the benchmark. Quick system properties, we've still got the same machine we started with, AMD Ryzen 5 4500U with Radeon graphics, 8GB of RAM. We're going to do some real world benchmarking tests today using PC Mark 10, the advanced edition. Let's get that installed and activated. The benchmarking program has now finished all the benchmarks and it's given a combined score of 3,537. That's taken into account the essentials, productivity, digital content creation and gaming aspects of the test. It really is a thorough test. So let's do an online comparison test of this model of laptop's CPU against its peers. So we've got the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U and the benchmarking that we started was the extended. And our result was 3557 as a combined score. So working down the list, you can see we are in between 24th and 25th on the leaderboard. So that's pretty average. We've got CrystalDiskMark installed now so that we can benchmark the onboard NVMe. We would expect to see scores of between 2000 and 2100 for this type of disk. The reads come in on spec. Let's just wait for the write to come back. That's a little under 787. That's a little bit below what we would be thinking here. So, final thoughts. Would we recommend this laptop for home or business use? Of course we would. The case is stylish, the machine is powerful and does exactly what you expect. The screen has a really good colour depth. The keyboard and trackpad are easy to use. It has plenty of connectivity options. Battery life as tested was great. All productivity benchmarks came back with a very reasonable score. Pricing was good. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. I hope this video has helped you in deciding if this laptop is going to be best for you and your needs. I'm going to drop some links in the description and I'll see you guys in the next video.